Hi everyone, my name is Corian. Today we're going to be taking a look at a brand new floor plan, the 2023 Sabre 350RL. This is an industry first design where we have this rear living area over the basement storage. Typically you have 2 or 3 steps coming up into this rear living area where we only have one, making it much more accessible. You still get 2 trifold sofas on either side. They pull out into nice full-size beds. It's a memory foam material, very comfortable. There's theater seating, heat, massage, blue LED lighting, and they fully recline. You also have lots of big, beautiful windows that's going to let in a lot of natural light. You also have the zebra shades that's going to help combat that light if you would need to. You can completely black it out, and you can control how much or how little light is let in. You've got the big television here behind me. Works great for movie nights back here. You have a fireplace down below that's going to pump out lots of electric heat if you're hooked up to shoreline power. Directly above it is one of the AC units. That's a 15,000 BTU air conditioner. We always include 2, so you've got 30,000 BTUs of air conditioning. Texas, Arizona summers, you're going to keep up great with those, keep nice and cool inside. Then you also have lots of storage that's built in here as well, so you can tuck things away, and we'll move things down into the kitchen. So like I said, we did design this floor plan differently than what you'll typically see. So you only take the 1 step down into the kitchen. It's very easy. You've got a full-length pantry here, so you can fit lots of stuff into there. It's got LED motion sensor lighting, so at nighttime you can still see what dry goods you're getting at. Then you've got your oven, 3-burner stove right here. So a nice combo. There's extra storage built in. You've got a 30-inch microwave. Big plates will fit in there easily. You've got a giant refrigerator. Looks very residential, but this is actually a 16 cubic foot 12-volt refrigerator. So it's very power efficient, only draws about 3.5 amps per hour. 2 freezer drawers, 2 fridge drawers, very large. Then beside your fridge, you're gonna have your sink area. So there's lots of countertop space surrounding the sink. It's a deep farm style sink. That's a solid surface acrylic material, so it's heat resistant. Scratches will buff out of there. And you'll see we build a ton of storage into the kitchen, so there's plenty of room for dry goods space. And on the other side here is going to be a breakfast hutch. Right here you can put maybe a small coffee maker, you can put a little crock pot in here, you've got power, you've got USB ports, you've got 2 table chairs, as well as a booth on the other side, so you can mix it up whatever side you like better. And then we'll move things along to the master suite. Right off the entry door, you're going to have your control panel cluster. In the middle is your Lippert One control system. That's going to control your lights, slides, awning, as well as your auto leveling system. Then there's a smartphone app you can connect to your device that's going to connect to the backup camera that's also included. So you can do everything you can do on this panel plus the backup camera on your smartphone, get a visual feed of what's going on behind the trailer. Then you'll see one of your smart control thermostats here. And then right below the panel is one of your thermostats. There's 2 of them connected to each of the AC units, so you've got 2 zones of cooling. You can control those however you'd like them. The voltage meter is included with our juice pack. The juice pack is a 100-watt solar panel that's roof mounted, expandable up to 500 watts with the 30-amp charge controller we include. You also get 2 voltage meters, one on the inside, one on the outside, and a lead-acid battery that's included from the factory. Then to cap things off, you've just got a couple light switches as well as a switch for your water pump. So in the bathroom, you'll see the tub surround is very large. It's got a seat in it. You've got plenty of head height space with a skylight to let in a little extra natural light. You've got a big sink. You've got a full-size medicine cabinet, plenty of linen storage, a porcelain toilet that can handle some more aggressive cleaning chemicals, and there's space for a trash can. Then lastly, one good feature for this bathroom is the new tankless water heater we're using. It's on-demand hot water whenever you need. You can take rapid succession showers if you have a big family, and you're not going to run out of hot water. Finishing things off in the 350RL, you've got a king-size bed up here in the master suite. It's supported by struts, so you can get to that extra storage that's underneath the mattress. Above head, you'll see a shelf. It's got a hole routed through it with power connections on the bottom side, so you can put your cords up and over. You can put tablets, smartphones, CPAP machine up there, get it all up and out of the way. And then behind me is going to be your wardrobe area. First off is a front-facing compartment for a combo washer-dryer unit, or you can put a washer here. And on the other side, it is prepped for a dryer if you would like to add one. And then we'll take things on outside. On the exterior of the 350RL, you'll see that we have this drop frame storage in here. So you've still got plenty of room in that rear living area, but you've got a lot of space down here too that you can fit maybe a kayak depending on the size of it. Bikes for sure fit in there great, storage totes. You also have some extra storage on each side that is separated by some netting that can easily be removed if you need to get in there as well. Then right above that storage area is going to be a backup camera that's pre-included from Lippert. So you have a backup camera back there that'll connect to your smartphone. The smartphone app will give you the visual feed of what's going on behind the trailer. then we'll keep things moving onto this side of the trailer. Here by the tires, you'll see one of the connections for the auto leveling system. It's a 4-point electric auto leveling system with hitch height memory, so it'll remember where the bed of your truck was when you set up your campsite. Then on the tires themselves, you'll have these TPMS tire pressure monitoring system. So it's a visual check. 80 PSI is green, good to go. If it drops below that, it's yellow, red. You really need to put some air into those tires. It has 7,000-pound axles as well, so you're going to notice much higher cargo carrying capacity numbers compared to other fifth wheels on the Sabre product. Then we'll move to the entry door. The entry door is an all-black glass door. It's going to give you more privacy on the inside, help combat some of that sunlight. And we also have the solar reflective windows that are included now as well. So it looks like a mirror from the outside, but you can see through on the inside. It also helps bounce the UV lights off of it, keeping it much cooler, much darker, like a tinted window normally would. Right below the door is your MORryde stable step system. These steps come right up and in. You have adjustable feet with this little push tab. And then below you have an LED light system that's tied into the awning. So when your awning light is on, the steps will also illuminate, giving you extra safety at nighttime. Last thing before we get to the front of the trailer is your outdoor kitchen. It's right ahead of the entry door. You have a sink that's plumbed in. You have a small fridge. This fridge, however, runs on 110 electric power, so you'll need to be hooked up to a shoreline, whereas the fridge on the inside is 12 volt and will run directly off the batteries. At the front of the trailer, you'll see the front storage compartment. You've got your spare tire housed up there. You've got a lead acid battery that's included from the factory, as well as space to add another. Your battery disconnects up there as well. If you switch that into the off position, your solar panel will actually still charge the battery, so it'll keep them topped up. And you also have the 30 amp charge controller, so that'll give you a voltage meter read of your batteries, as well as allow you to expand up to 500 watts of solar if you'd wish to upgrade upon that system. Then you have your Polar Shield sticker. That's a very important feature for us. It's a fully enclosed underbelly that's thermofoil wrapped, fully insulated, and we run furnace ducting over the holding tanks that blows hot air into the underbelly. Then your front cap and your roof are also thermofoil wrapped and fully insulated. If you're planning on camping down to about 20 degrees Fahrenheit or -6 Celsius, that's where we would recommend skirting the underbelly, taking extra precautions so you don't freeze your water lines. So on the off-door side, you've got your new tankless Furrion water heater. This is an on-demand water heater. It gives you instant hot water. No more waiting in between showers. You can take showers in rapid succession and not run out. It's also more power efficient, uses much less LP gas, and it's more eco-friendly. Then you've got your all-in-one docking station where your outdoor shower is connected. You've got your water connections, your black tank flush, your winterizing system. Everything's all consolidated into one place and easy to get to. There's also a metal enclosure that'll help with any splashback that may occur so you don't damage your subfloor. And there's just a little bit of extra access to that front storage compartment as well. That wraps things up with the Sabre 350 RL. Like I said, this is an industry first design where we have that one step going up into the rear living room, and then you've got all this storage space down below without making any sacrifices. If you'd like to learn any more about this floor plan or find a dealer near you, you can visit us at our website. It's forestriverinc.com/Sabre. Thank you.